This is Dave with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Fitbit versus tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to disassemble a Fitbit versus screen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab a heat gun and heat up the edges and all the corners of the screen. You want to make sure I'm not heated up too much so you don't damage any internals. Once you do that, you want to grab your pry tool. I like to use this one because the edges are super thin and you're very unlikely to damage the housing of the Fitbit. So what you want to do is you want to, right where the screen and the housing meet, you want to try and pry in there. You want to find a gap between the screen and the housing. There's mine, found mine. So once you pry up on it a little bit, you want to go through and break all the adhesive off and or glue, whatever it may be that the screen is held on. So the reason why you don't want to start prying from the bottom on this part is because the screen has ribbons on it and they're connected to the board down here. So you don't want to start prying because if you go too deep, you might damage one of the ribbons and you'll have a dysfunctional screen. So when I'm going through and breaking off the adhesive here, I'm not going in too far and I'm going very carefully. So once you've done that, your screen should come up like so. And you want to pry it back towards the Fitbit logo. Next, you want to take the shield off right here. And I use a T2 screwdriver for the screws. So there's going to be one in the top right corner of the Fitbit, like so. Loosen that one up. There's going to be one on the bottom right side of the Fitbit. So you want to loosen that one up. And there's going to be one more at the bottom, more towards the middle of the Fitbit. You want to loosen that one up too. Go ahead and get it out of there. Make sure you get these screws out. So once you have that, you can either grab a pry tool or tweezers. There's a little cover here for a ribbon. You want to go ahead and pry that up, like so. And work on getting the shield out. You want to pry it. If you have two buttons facing away from you, you want to grab your tweezers or your pry tool and you want to push up or bring it towards you and it should pop out just like so without damaging anything. At this point, you have two ribbons that are connected from the screen to the power board. You want to carefully take the first off and take the second one off like so. And if there's any tape attached to it, you can just go ahead and take that off. When taking the screen off, when detaching the ribbons, and they're connected like so, you don't want to pull the actual screen because you could rip the ribbons off and your screen will no longer function like it's supposed to. So you want to grab the ribbon as close as you can to where it's connected, like that, and you want to pull up from there. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.